Hello, students. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into everything you need to know about VIT EEE 2025, your ultimate guide to eligibility, syllabus, exam pattern, cutoff ranks, placement, and much more. Let's get started. Overview of VIT. Established 1984. University status 2001. Campuses in India. VIT Vellore, VIT Chennai, VIT AP Andhra Pradesh, VIT Bhopal. Rankings. VIT has consistently performed well nationally. 10. University category. 11. Engineering category. 13. Research category. 19. Overall. Admission process. The gateway to VIT is the VIT EEE, VIT Engineering Entrance Examination. Key details. Mode of exam, computer-based. Duration, 2 hours 30 minutes. Language, English. Question type, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Sections. Mathematics/biology. Physics, chemistry. Aptitude. English. Total questions 125, 1 mark per question, no negative marking. Exam pattern for MPCEA and BPCES streams. Mathematics/biology 40 questions. Physics 35 questions. Chemistry 35 questions. Aptitude 10 questions. English 5 questions. Eligibility criteria. 1. Applicants born on or after 1st of July 2003 are eligible. 2. Should have completed or be appearing for 10+2 exams. 3. Minimum aggregate. General, 60% in physics, chemistry, and mathematics/biology. SC/ST or from specific states, 50%. Counseling process. Ranks up to 1 lakh, eligible for all campuses, Vellore, Chennai, AP, and Bhopal. Ranks above 1 lakh, counseling limited to VIT AP and VIT Bhopal. Programs offered. VIT Vellore, 24 courses. VIT Chennai, 16 courses. VIT Bhopal, 14 courses. VIT AP, 13 courses. Fee structure. Tuition fee, 1,95,000 rupees per annum. Caution deposit, 3,000 rupees, one time. Category-wise tuition fee varies based on rank, preferred branch, and campus. Scholarships. Scholarships are provided from the second semester onwards based on ranks. Ranks 1 to 10, 100% fee waiver. Ranks 11 to 50, 75% fee waiver. Ranks 51 to 100, 50% fee waiver. Ranks 101 to 500, 25% fee waiver. Placement highlights. VIT has a stellar placement record. 2024 batch, 88 rupees LPA, Motor. 2023 batch, 1.02 crore rupees, Motor. 2022 batch, 75 rupees LPA, DIE. 2021 batch, 46 rupees LPA, Microsoft. 2020 batch, 41 rupees LPA, Microsoft. Average packages. 2020, 7 rupees LPA. 2021, 7 rupees LPA. 2022, 9 rupees LPA. 2023, 9 rupees LPA. 2024, 9 rupees LPA. VIT EEE tips. VIT EEE is easier than JEE mains. Focus on the NCERT syllabus, and scoring 100 plus out of 125 is achievable. Direct admission. For integrated MTech, 5-year programs, admission is based on +2 exam performance. VIT Vellore/Chennai, minimum 70% in PCM. VIT AP/Bhopal, minimum 65% in PCM. That's a wrap for today's video on VIT EEE 2025. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.